If you are running on a tight budget, fuel consumption must have been a concern for you. If you are not careful, poor fuel consumption can cost you a lot of money. High fuel consumption in vehicles can be attributed to a variety of factors, ranging from driving habits to mechanical issues. Reasons for high fuel consumption. 1. Aggressive driving. Rapid acceleration, frequent braking, and high-speed driving can significantly increase fuel consumption. Such driving habits waste energy and cause the engine to work harder, using more fuel. 2. Excessive idling. Idling for extended periods, such as leaving the engine running while parked, consumes fuel without any real mileage. Turning off the engine when not in motion can help conserve fuel. 3. Underinflated tires. Underinflated tires create more rolling resistance, requiring the engine to work harder to move the vehicle. This results in increased fuel consumption. Regularly checking and maintaining proper tire pressure is important. 4. Poor aerodynamics. Modifications like roof racks or open windows disrupt the streamlined shape of the vehicle, causing more air resistance. This resistance requires the engine to produce more power, leading to higher fuel usage. 5. Unnecessary load. Carrying unnecessary weight in the vehicle's trunk or roof adds to the overall load and increases fuel consumption. Remove items that aren't needed for the journey. 6. Poor maintenance. A poorly maintained vehicle, with dirty air filters, clogged fuel injectors, or malfunctioning sensors, can lead to inefficient fuel combustion and higher consumption. 7. Low-quality fuel. Fuel with impurities or lower energy content doesn't combust as efficiently. These issues leading to incomplete burning and higher fuel consumption. 8. Driving at high speeds. Driving at higher speeds, especially above the optimal efficiency range of your vehicle, increases aerodynamic drag and decreases fuel efficiency. 9. Poor route planning. Traffic congestion, frequent stops, and routes with steep inclines can lead to higher fuel consumption. Planning efficient routes and avoiding heavy traffic can help save fuel. 10. Cold weather. Cold starts and running the heater in cold weather can increase fuel consumption. This is because your engine takes longer to reach its optimal operating temperature. 11. Older vehicle models. Older vehicles might lack advanced engine technologies and have less efficient designs. Therefore, they have lower fuel economy compared to newer, more fuel-efficient models. 12. Faulty fuel system. An issue with the fuel delivery system, such as a faulty fuel pump or fuel injectors, can also lead to inefficient fuel combustion and increased consumption. You can improve your vehicle's fuel efficiency and reduce overall fuel consumption through better driving habits, proper vehicle maintenance, and making informed choices. Thanks for watching the video. And don't forget to subscribe the channel.